Hey guys, you probably have noticed I've taken a break from working on the VESC firmware. Instead, I've been playing around with this iPhone app because I wasn't happy with what was out there. Here are some of the highlights. Oh, and I almost forgot this feature right here. Hey Siri, set a ride profile.
Which one?
Aggressive.
Okay, setting. Selected ride profile has been set.
Set my board back to normal.
Okay, setting. Selected ride profile has been set.
Hey Siri, set constant tilt back.
How many degrees would you like to angle the board?
3.
Do you want the nose to point downward?
No.
Okay, setting. Constant tilt back has been adjusted.
Set constant tilt back.
How many degrees would you like to angle the board?
2.
Do you want the nose to point downward?
Yes.
Okay, setting. Constant tilt back has been adjusted.
So, that's all I have. I hope you like it. If you do download the app, please do me a huge favor and give me a good rating in the App Store. For some reason, if you search for my app by just typing in VESC, my app still doesn't show up. And the only way I believe this will happen is if I get enough downloads and enough ratings. I'd appreciate if you guys help me out there. Thanks everyone. See you all next time.
Hey Siri, give me Captain Morgan.
Hey!
Oh, let me fix that. Fix that.
Not in front of the people.
Alright, runtime vest tuning. Disable the vest buzzer so we don't hear that. And auto apply changes. Alright, ready? Is it back to normal?
Yeah.
Okay. How about now?
Why is it making me go faster?
Slow down!
It's making me go faster.
Huh. Let me fix that.
Thank you. Oh. That's making me go slower. There. Much better.
Alright.